I want to show you how to achieve Sego Gele bridal head wrap. Let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone. Hello people. Welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty, my people. Today I want to show you this big grande hands Sego material. How to achieve the bridal style. So I already plait like 8 plates. Now I place it on her head. Yes, in case you are watching me, I base in United Kingdom, London. My people, this material is called Sego Gele. You know, we have different type of Sego Gele. We have the grand hands, we have the normal AliExpress Sego. This one is the original one. This is what they call grand hands, this Sego Gele. So this Sego Gele is what we use for celebrants, for the not with the Yoruba people don't use it. The Cross River side, the Igbo people, these are their scarf. I don't know the Joe people. One and all verse in case I don't make sure the proper tribe. Okay, so this scarf is very difficult to to achieve, to use. I don't know, my people, sorry. Sometimes if I want to do voice on top my video, some explanation is not easy. So I just divide it 20 80. All I want you to do, just focus your eye on my people. That is why I always put music on my video, that because to explain is not easy, you understand? So please, you people should pardon me and just focus your eye. I divide it 20 80. That shorter part, which is this 20, I give it to my customer to hold it for me. Now I want to work on the 80, which is the longer part. So now you create as many pleating you can until you observe that the material is almost finished. Then you start creating your fan. Okay, you start creating your fan. You know, this one is the big Sego, is the grand hands. So you must hold your Sego with your 2 hands, though, because the material is strong and is big. So I just continue creating that pleat. I continue. Now I want to start creating the slide fan. It's difficult, my people, this time to achieve it. For other people, maybe it's not difficult for them. For me, you know, when you use ashoke, it's more easier than when you use Sego. And if you are using this grand hands Sego, it's more difficult. So what I'm doing here, I'm just trying to create fan. Sorry if I block some of the view. I'm so sorry, because to achieve this, to create this style and to record as well is difficult. So what we are just doing, we are trying to create a fan. You create fan. She is here for a photo shoot. In case you want to do your photo shoot, I have studio here in London where we have studio here where you can come and have your photo shoot. Please don't be in a rush. Towards the end part of this video, towards the end part, you know, many people watch my video, they don't watch it to the end. Towards the end part, you will see the photo shoot, some of the pictures. Oh my God, the pictures, they are so lovely. So my people, come and have your photo shoot, or your birthday photo shoot. children photo shoot, husband and wife photo shoot, any type of photo shoots, we are here for you. You can book me for your event as well. We do makeup, we do gele, we do traditional, bridal hair okoko, and we do for all tribe as well, because okoko is for the Bini people, the traditional beads Edo bride. So we do for Igbo bride as well, in case if you want to do your traditional bridal hair for the beads, send me the picture. Come and I will come and give it to you the way you want it, my people. Okay, I hope una focus on our eye, or please try and focus your eye. Try and focus. That is the secret of any of my video. Anytime you come across any of my video, try all your possible best to just focus your eye, in case if you have interest, you want to learn one or two things. That is the only secret. There is no shortcut in this feed of learning. The only thing you just need, just open your eye. I'm just wondering, my mouth is just moving up and down. Look at the way I'm just I'm chewing my mouth. My people, it's not easy. You know, when you are working with customer, it's better you put your gun for your mouth, or because if you don't push your gun for your mouth, sometimes when you just keep quiet and you are talking and your face is very close, it's at least the chicken will freshen your mouth. Even our teacher, that is the first thing they tell us. I remember when I take online class, my teacher always tell us, when you want to tie gele, when you want to do makeup, just put chewing gum in your mouth to freshen your mouth. It's just that if you want to chew it, you chew your chewing gum some more. Sometimes me, I forget. Mona Novice, this is the final. My people, she is ready for her shoot. She is ready and she is super excited. She is happy. She is happy. Yes, so see the back. I hope you have learned one or two things. In case you want to know more about how to tie gele with explanation, with more chronic explanation, I always do live on Facebook. Okay, she is dancing. Oroboisako wekoroye, yeah. Oroboisako wekoroye, yeah. Agana, yeah. Yeah. Rosano Bar, yeah. Because I can't play the music. I just mute it, then I use my voice on top. Yeah, I decided to talk throughout this video because sometimes I use music throughout. I'm just here inside my bed doing some editing, and I'm trying to break down my voice. My children, they are sleeping. Yes, so my people, if you do photo shoot, I'll still do short video for you. You go down so that in case you want to post it on your Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, you have your own video as well. So come and book for your photo shoot. So in case you want to buy makeup product as well, we sell makeup product. We sell makeup product. We sell oil. We sell perfume, the oil one, the spray one. Yes, so all of them are original. Thank you, everyone. We are almost the video. Very soon the video go end. Please don't forget. Don't be in a hurry. I want you to take a look at all the photos, all the picture. Very soon the pictures go enter. Very soon, my people. Yes, so she is happy. She is happy. In case you want to learn more of Gele, how to achieve it on yourself, go to my YouTube channel. I have many videos there how to do it on yourself. I have like 500 videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, my people, What do you think? Take a look at this picture now. Take a look at this picture, my people. Take a look. You see, oh my God. Oh my God. Carry me, they go. Jehovah go carry you, come deck beauty studio. We will go take for our sites. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, follow me on my two Facebook, Deck Beauty and Deck Beauty Life. YouTube the same, Deck Beauty and Deck Beauty Life. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye bye.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that their beauty is only specialized in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. We in that beauty studio, we are also specialized in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me